Honestly, I am tired. Like, I'm getting frustrated. Um, I just woke up this morning and I just feel like I should just come out and shoot this video because it's becoming tiring every day. YouTube is just trying to frustrate a small YouTuber like me, and it's so painful. I've promised myself I'm not going to cry in this video because I've cried a lot, and I don't know if you can actually feel what I'm actually feeling now, because everybody around me is not just understanding me, and nobody understand my pain I'm feeling as a small YouTuber. I just feel like I should just come out here and shoot this particular video, because after losing my subscribers, about 400 subscribers in just how many days, I also stopped having views. Just of recent, like, just stop having views. I don't just know where the problem is actually coming from. Like, every blessed day I try my best and it's just as if nothing is actually just working. I don't know if you have experienced this before. Like, I just feel like I'm just feeling right now that YouTube did not just love me on my channel. YouTube is just trying to frustrate me or something. I don't know. Have you experienced loss of subscribers and also views before? Because this is just becoming so frustrating. I've already promised myself that I'm not going to cry in this video, but this is so annoying. Honestly, I normally post consistently. As of last week, I was not feeling too well and I was unable to shoot a video, so I just like, okay, let me just relax. You know what, let me just relax these few days, and I just take a break, only for me to come back. And even after trying to post on my shorts and post on I tried to post on my community post, nothing is still working. Still yet my subscribers kept reducing, and that is how I lost over 400 subscribers. It was so painful. I don't know how it just happened. I don't know, has it happened to you before? And not just that, I actually lost views too, maybe because of I turned off one particular setting because I was trying to experiment, and ever since I turned off that setting, I was not able to get views in that particular video. And I said, okay, I upload another video and I turn on that particular setting. Still yet I still did not get views. Honestly, this is becoming tiring, frustrating. I am tired. I just feel like quitting as a small YouTuber. Like, this is so painful. This is so painful. I don't know, has anybody experienced this before? Because this is just like the way I'm just feeling now. I don't know how to just express this. I'm just feeling like this YouTube is not actually for me. I just feel like quitting, because I don't know why somebody will be consistent and just for 4 days or 3 days, not up to 3 days, I was unable to post and everything just crashed. It's just as if I'm starting all over right now. Maybe the algorithm has forgotten about me. I don't know. Is this how it works? I don't just know. I don't know. I don't just know how I'm feeling, but I just know I'm tired. I'm tired. YouTube is just so I don't understand. I don't just understand. I just can't just explain this pain. Nobody understand. Even when I discuss it with friends, they don't just understand because they are not YouTubers. So I just feel like I should just come out here and just share with my fellow YouTubers. Has it ever happened to you, and how were you able to overcome it? Because right now I just feel like quitting. I just feel like quitting, honestly. This is so painful. This is so painful. I think I should just quit and just get a break. Or what did you guys think? I think I should just go on a break. Or should I keep posting? I'm just confused. As they are already forgotten about me, they no longer want to push my video out there. It's so painful. YouTube, you have to be helping us, especially we that we are trying harder. At the end of the day, just some few days that I was away and everything just scattered as if I'm just starting all over again. This is so painful. I feel like I should quit.